Did you know how small habits in the morning could ripple out to create a greener, kinder planet? Most morning routines create a surprising amount of waste, from plastic-packed products to energy-heavy habits. But it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm sharing 10 sustainable morning routine ideas to help you start your day lighter on the earth and brighter in spirit. Let's jump in. Number 1. Wake up with natural light instead of alarm apps. Open your curtains and let the sun wake you naturally. Cuts down on energy use and sets a better mood. Bonus, better sleep rhythms too. Number 2. Brush with a bamboo toothbrush and eco toothpaste. Bamboo toothbrushes are compostable. Choose toothpaste tablets or paste in recyclable jars. Less plastic, same fresh feeling. Number 3. Use a low-flow shower head and shorten your shower. Traditional showers waste gallons of water. A 5-minute shower saves time, water, and energy. Plus, cooler showers help wake you up naturally. Number 4. Switch to plastic-free skincare and hair care. Opt for bar cleansers, refillable bottles, or DIY natural recipes. Look for eco-packaging and cruelty-free labels. Your skin and the planet will thank you. Number 5. Brew your coffee or tea without waste. Skip coffee pods and tea bags with plastic seals. Use a French press, pour over, or loose leaf tea. Compost the grounds or leaves afterward. Number 6. Eat a plant-based or low-waste breakfast. Choose unpackaged fruits, homemade granola, or oats. Avoid single-serve plastic packaging when possible. Meal prep to reduce food waste through the week. Number 7. Dress in sustainable, pre-loved, or capsule wardrobe pieces. Wear clothes that are second-hand, organic, or durable. Capsule wardrobes simplify choices and reduce impulse shopping. Look good, feel good, do good. Number 8. Pack a zero-waste snack for later. Reusable containers, beeswax wraps, and cloth napkins are game changers. Pack fruits, nuts, or homemade snacks. Ditch the plastic wrappers for good. Number 9. Commute sustainably. Walk, bike, carpool, or take public transport. Fewer cars equals less pollution plus healthier you. Bonus, more time to listen to podcasts or enjoy nature. Number 10. Set a green intention for your day. Start your day with one eco goal in mind. Maybe it's no plastic today or support local businesses. Small intentions lead to powerful, lasting habits. So, what was your favorite fact? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching and see you next time.